Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the tech news of the day. By the way, if you do like our videos, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Nothing Phone 2 has got a price reduction of 5,000 rupees in India. The base variant, which was actually priced at 45,000 rupees, is now being priced at 40,000 rupees. Not just the base variant, even the other two variants, which come with 256 and 512 gigabytes of space, also got the same 5,000 rupees of discount. Now in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, Nothing Phone 2 was sold for as low as 33,000 rupees after including all the discounts. So even now you can get a little more discount. So to keep it simple, well, Nothing Phone 2 definitely got a pretty good discount, I would say, but it's not too high of a discount. And I must tell you that 2024 is right around the corner, so Nothing Phone 3 will be launching pretty soon. Not in a month, obviously, it'll take probably 2 to 3 months, but still, it's gonna come, so you might want to consider if you want to buy it or not. Department of Telecommunication in India has implemented new set of rules for the SIM card holders or people who usually sell the SIM cards. Now there are a lot of changes, but the important stuff is you need to apply for eKYC or digital KYC, and besides that, as an individual, you can only apply for a maximum of 9 SIM cards on a single ID. If you represent an organization, that's completely different, but if you're an individual, you can just apply for 9 SIM cards. Besides that, there are some more restrictions and rules. You might want to check it out if you're someone who sells SIM cards or if you're in that business. Google has brought in a lot of new features for its Google Messages app, which include the RCS. So these are the new stuff. First, we have the photo emoji, where you can actually select any photo and turn it into an emoji and send it directly from the Google Messages app. Next is the voice modes. Normally, even on WhatsApp, you can just send a voice message. But now on the Google Messages application, you can send a voice message and also attach a nice animation to it, which actually looks pretty cool. Next, Google has also brought in something called screen effects. Now, there are some key terms like it's raining, it's snowing, or I just love you. When you use these specific words, you also get a nice animation. Next, we also have custom bubbles where you can actually change the overall UI color scheme of all the chats. Now this is something completely new from iMessenger. Next, we also got reaction effects. Now normally whenever you add a reaction to a message instead of a static image, once again you get a cool animation. Finally, Google has also added a separate profile section so that whenever someone messages you, they can actually check out your profile in the way that you want to present yourself. WhatsApp has done it again. So let me talk about it from the beginning. It all started with a WhatsApp feature called Chat Lock. Now using this feature, you can lock your chats. Like, it's a privacy feature and all, that's okay, but here's where it gets interesting. So now you can lock your chats. So once you lock a chat, that chat will disappear from your chat logs. Now initial implementation was you can just scroll down and you get a section for locked chats. You click it and you can go to the locked chat interface. Now after that, they've implemented a separate password for the locked chats. So whenever you open a locked chat, you can enter a password which is different from your lock screen password to enter into a chat. Now here comes the third change. Earlier you can just click a button to see if there is any locked chat, but now you can set another password to see if there is any locked chat. So this is too much privacy for anyone who wants too much privacy. Recently, a video posted on Reddit about how AI can be used in filmography has become a viral. Now I've already talked about a similar feature where you can just take a photograph and turn it into an animation. But the examples used in this particular video is simply impressive. So do check out this video. All of it is completely made using AI and the effects look amazing. Apple has released a new update for its iPhones, iPads and Mac OS as well to fix 2 very important vulnerabilities. Now these 2 vulnerabilities allow hackers to access your data and run code directly on your system or your phone or an iPad. So it is definitely recommended to install the latest update as soon as possible. Samsung has announced a feature called Bixby Text Call last year, that's in 2022. Now this feature can allow you to simply reply in text, which is translated into audio clip, which is sent in response to a call. Now this is a pretty cool feature and it was not available on a Pixel phone. So finally Google is bringing it to Android and it calls it the Android Text Call feature. Right now it's not actually available, but it will be coming to Android pretty soon. Telegram, which is an instant messaging application just like WhatsApp, has brought in a lot of new changes recently, and here are some of the important stuff. First is the voice transcription. Now this feature allows you to transcribe a voice message or a video message. So in case if you can't just listen to a message or can't watch a video, you can get a transcription of it and just read through it. This is a pretty cool feature, but it was available only for the premium members. But now Telegram has brought it even for the normal users, but you can only use it twice in a week for a free user. Besides that, Telegram has also brought in features like similar channels where you can search for similar channels Next, we have reposted stories, where you can actually repost stories of others, let's say your friends. Next, we have video messages on stories. You can change your profile colors. By the way, this can only be done by premium users. And finally, we have story stats, where you can actually check out the stats of your stories. All these features are pretty useful if you're an influencer. Now finally, for some entertainment news, Furiosa, a Mad Max saga trailer has been released. Do check it out. It looks pretty impressive. This is the sequel for the Mad Max series, so it has all that vibe. So guys, that's all the news I have for today. See you next time.